Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today in this video we are going to see an interesting formula which is COUNTIF. Previously we have posted 21 different formulas videos. If you have not watched, we have given the playlist link in the description. Let's jump into the video and you can see we are using the same data format. So what is COUNTIF? COUNTIF is a combination of both count and if formula. So count will directly count the values of the data, but COUNTIF will add the condition for which value you need to add. Okay. So suppose now I want to add the count of the products whichever is available. Okay, I need to get the count of these products. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the duplicate. So I can see only 9 different products available, which is carrot, whole wheat, chocolate chip, arrowroot, potato chips, and raisin, bran, petals, and banana. So these 9 products I need to get the count of each. In total of 400 plus line items, I need to know what is the count of each individual line item, which is a product. So for that, I need to use the COUNTIF formula. Okay. So what I'm going to do is equal to COUNTIF. You can see here counts the number of cells within the range that meet the given condition. That is the syntax for this particular formula. So you can see range. What is the range you want to see? I want to see this particular range of f. So this is my range, and criteria will be carrot, right? So I'm just locking this column. Lock it. Enter. You can see 64 number of characters available. We can cross verify it by selecting only carrot, and you can see the total line item we have is 64. So hence we can able to identify we have 64 line items. The same we can now go to down and apply it. So we have only banana 3. So randomly we can validate it. Add the filter. Yes, banana we have only 3. Yes, perfect. So which means we got the desired result. What we want to get the count of this particular each product in the particular data set. So this COUNTIF formula will help you into identify how many products you have in the particular data sets, or how many employees number you have with the same name, or like with the number of days also you can able to count it according to the requirement from the management and your day-to-day activities. Hope you have understood this formula. If you have any doubt in this formula, please do post your query in the comments. We will try to assist you in short span of time. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Jai Hind.